Are you tired of manually drawing complex architecture diagrams and flowcharts for your software projects? Say goodbye to tedious drag-and-drop interfaces. Meet antigravity-drawio-mcp, the open-source model context protocol server framework that allows AI coding assistants like Google Antigravity, Claude Code, Cursor IDE, and VS Code to generate, edit, and export native draw.io diagrams automatically. Published on PyPI and GitHub, this production-grade package connects modern LLM agents directly to the draw.io desktop application. It features automated layout collision verification, native libxml decompression, and seamless headless exporting to high-resolution PNG, SVG, and PDF files. Whether you are designing multi-tier cloud architectures, System Verilog UVM test benches, SoC hardware interconnects, or FPGA CAD flows, the system performs around 4 to 5 automated verification iterations to eliminate overlapping lines, resolve boundary collisions, and produce clean, publication-ready diagrams. And if you ever want to make custom tweaks, you can open the generated XML files in draw.io and edit them manually at any time. Need to convert existing Mermaid.js code into native draw.io files? No problem. The server includes a built-in Mermaid bridge, programmatic XML builders, and runnable proof-of-concept scripts that generate clean visual architecture graphs instantly across your favorite developer tools. Getting started is super easy. Simply run pip install antigravity-drawio-mcp. Check out the official PyPI page and star the repository on GitHub at sugenes/antigravity-drawio-mcp. Start automating your flowcharts and architecture diagrams with AI today.